Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be reviewing and comparing the Chanel Deauville tote. From the spring collection, I have the smaller beige striped tote. And then from the newest fall collection, I have the navy in the larger size with the top handles. So I will show you the inside and go over the pros and cons with you. Samorga very graciously sent me the bag organizers for the Chanel Deauville tote in both sizes, just that you can see the difference. So this is the organizer in the mocha color. It has this zipper top so that it can keep all your stuff contained, because the tote is just, this is just an open tote bag, and you know, for safety reasons and just for clumsiness, I like to have it closed inside just in case the bag spills over. So it's great for protecting your stuff while you're traveling. And for the larger Deauville in the navy, the light blue color. I think it's light blue, maybe it's called cool blue. There are tons of choices, so I definitely recommend you check out Samorga organizers. They make different style organizers for almost every single major luxury bag. It fits perfectly inside this tote. And this top is removable. It's attached with Velcro. You can easily remove this and then just put it back when you are traveling, let's say. Samorga has recently launched a line of bag accessories and straps. So they very graciously sent me this newest chain strap, which you may have seen it on my Instagram. This is great because it really can be a top handle for smaller pouches or clutches, or a chain, a wristlet strap for little pouches. I have it here on top of my niece BB. It just attaches right on the hardware, and it's kind of a round, what do they call it, an O-ring clasp. It also made a pearl strap accessory. So I have it here attached to my on-the-go tote. They have this longer kind of a crossbody strap. It's kind of like a tortoise shell acrylic. And I have it attached to my Fendi Mama flap baguette bag, which I unboxed this on my Mother's Day haul. I also showed this in my vintage bags video. It has this really cool braided handle, and I added the acrylic strap so to make it a crossbody. So yeah, so this is from Samorga. All these straps are available, and the bag organizers are available on the Samorga website. I'll link it below. I do have a promo code, A Heated Mess, for 20% off. It's not a commission or anything. They just very nicely offered a promo code for my followers. I did a little bit of a try on when I unboxed both of these actually, and then in my recent unboxing for the larger Deauville, I also tried it on. But just to show you again, I will throw the measurements up for both of these. But what's interesting is, if you look at it on the website, this smaller Deauville, which I guess I would call this a medium, like I would categorize it as a medium. This is called large shopping bag on the website, and then the larger Deauville tote is just called shopping bag, even though I would categorize this as a large. It's about 1.5 inch wider and 1.5 inch taller. And the width of the larger Deauville is 2 inches wider than the smaller size. This is the only way you can wear this, because the smaller Deauville doesn't have top handles the way this one does. So you really can only wear it on your shoulder, or if you want to hold it on the crook of your arm, although that's a little flimsy because the chain straps are kind of longer. I would typically use this as a top handle, either on the crook of my arm or like this in my hands. This has a shorter strap drop. The strap drop on the larger Deauville is maybe about an extra inch or so. And you know, again, they do that because you need room to allow the top handles to kind of fold over. This is a little heavier because it's bigger. Overall, there's more material, plus you have the top handles, you know, weighing it down just a tad more. This is very light to carry, and that's what I love about the smaller size. It really does fit a lot, and it's very comfortable to wear. In my video where I talked about the Deauville I originally had that I ended up selling, I sold it because it didn't have the leather tab on the shoulder strap. So it got so heavy and uncomfortable to wear because it was just chains all the way around and they were kind of digging into your shoulder. But this, because it has these leather straps, it's a lot more comfortable, even with something heavy inside here. You can see the strap drop on the larger size is longer. Now I do have both the Samorga bag organizer inside both of them, just to show you what fits inside. This totally zips out. So here it is, zipped off all the way. So chopsticks in there. They both have 2 water bottle pockets inside the organizer itself. These are really well made. I really like these because it has another pocket here. It has this, oh, I didn't even notice that. Oh my gosh, okay, so even this is removable, the water bottle pocket. So you can leave that or remove it. They're both removable on both sides. This is my MacBook Air, and what's great about this smaller Deauville, this still fits in here. This fits perfectly inside, even with the bag organizer. It fits inside there. So it reaches right up to the top. You can still close it with the little magnetic snap in the middle. MacBook Air inside the larger DeAuville. And then of course that one also fits in with much more room to spare. Here's the larger size. I did get the organizer in the cool blue, a brighter blue. There is a navy that probably would have matched this navy leather better, but I usually prefer to get a lighter color organizer. In general, I prefer lighter colored interiors of bags so that you don't have this kind of like a black hole going on. So it's not too bad here, but you know, when you have such a big bag, it can be kind of cavernous. Oh, look, I just use it so I have my pocket organizer. Oh, look at that color, so pretty. This is my Louis Vuitton Cloud pocket organizer that I just unboxed recently. So I used this at the store recently. Anyway, smaller DeAuville. So you have this zip pocket right here, and then you have 2 slip pockets. And that's it. That is entirely it. There's no outside pockets on this bag at all. On either side, there's no side pockets. There's no water bottle pocket. And so I think the Samorga organizer is really crucial to get the most use out of your bag. So that's the smaller size. Now the larger DeAuville, this does have a water bottle pocket right here. And maybe I'm using that term loosely because it's it's just a little, it's like a pass through. So you could put your water bottle here, and I guess it's not a pocket, more like a keeper strap, so that the water bottle doesn't fall over inside your bag. This has the same longer single zip pocket along the side, on the back side of it, and then on the front side, it has two deeper pockets, slip pockets. The other difference is that this has a key leash. If you don't have a bag organizer in here, I would say this is more important, but because I always have a bag organizer inside, this tends to kind of get lost inside. When I unboxed this, I showed how the Samorga book tote organizer fits inside. I would say that it's pretty comparable to the smaller size. The small book tote organizer fits right inside. The larger one was too big. The difference with that is the book tote organizer was very kind of squarish. This was made with more fabric kind of bowing out on the sides there. So it fits a little more snug in here. So compared to the book tote, the Chanel Deauville, you know, has these kind of side walls that stick out a little bit. So it's a little more snug with this organizer that's meant to fit in here. And same thing, I'll show you what it looks like with the zipper removed. I generally keep these inside the bag always, but this is it on the side. So I'll remove that. And so that's what it looks like. So if you're not concerned about having a zip cover, that's what it looks like. So it's very nice and open and bright. The larger Chanel Deauville bag organizer from Samorga does have more side pockets. This has 3 side pockets here, and the same thing on this side, 3 side pockets on this side. And then you have the 2 water bottle holders. And these aren't removable the way the smaller one is removable. This is probably removable because it takes up a considerable amount of space inside here. So if you don't need that, or if you just need one, you can always remove these. I did get this fairly recently, so I haven't used the larger one a lot, also because we're still a little bit under our quarantine. I did go on a beach vacation early last month. If I had the larger DeAuville, I probably would have brought this, but I didn't have this yet. And I was honestly a little scared to bring the beige one because I had my kids and we were going to the beach and it would have been a little messy. So I didn't bring this one. If we do return back to the office at some point after this quarantine, I probably would use this as a work bag because I just like the style. I think it's very practical. When I had the old DeAuville that didn't have these leather straps, when it was all chain, I did get it with the intention of using it as a travel bag and as a work bag. That didn't really work out because the chains were very uncomfortable to wear. But now that this is more comfortable to wear and I have this nifty, perfectly sized bag organizer, and it fits my laptop, I definitely could see using this for work. I do carry a lot for work, and this would be great for travel also, with a zipper on top. This has been great for every day, and I actually am considering maybe getting another color in this smaller size. I really like this smaller size. I did like the larger DeAuville, and you know, alongside my LV on the go GM and my book tote for when I do need big bags. But if I'm just running around, I don't need to carry my laptop. I really like the smaller size. So I think this bag organizer makes it so much more useful and so much more practical. So for now, I'm using their gold strap on my niece and the pearl strap on my LV on the go. And then the acrylic strap, which is really cool. I don't have anything like this in my collection so far, but this strap is really great to wear as a crossbody. So I hope you enjoyed this comparison of the Chanel large and small Deauville tote bags. If you're looking for a large tote bag, I definitely recommend checking out either or both styles. It just really depends on what you carry and what you need. I do plan on filming kind of more of an in-depth what's in my bag. I can do a what's in my bag for both of these, but I just wanted to do a comparison of both of these. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much, Samorga, for sending me these organizers to review, and I hope to catch you in my next video. Bye.